हेलो क्लास 4 स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। मैं शबनम खातून, आपकी ईवीएस की टीचर। आज हम क्या करेंगे? आज हम अपना एक्सरसाइज जो हम कर रहे थे वो हम आज कंप्लीट करेंगे, चैप्टर नंबर 6 का, दैट इज फेस्टिवल्स। ठीक है, और इसका लेक्चर नंबर क्या हो गया? 3। ठीक है, ठीक है। हमने जो है एक्सरसाइज का पार्ट ए जो है पिछले लेक्चर में कंप्लीट कर लिया था। इस लेक्चर में हम पार्ट बी से स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है, पेज नंबर 41 आप सभी निकाल लीजिए। ठीक है, निकाल लिया सबने? ठीक है, तो अब जो है इसमें करना क्या है, हमको क्वेश्चन आंसर करने हैं। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? व्हाई डू वी सेलिब्रेट फेस्टिवल्स? हम फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट ही क्यों करते हैं? क्यों करते हैं हम लोग सेलिब्रेट? क्यों करते हैं हम लोग सेलिब्रेट? टू शेयर आर हैप्पीनेस एंड जॉय विद आर नियर वंस। ठीक है, तो हम इसका आंसर भी ऐसे ही लिखेंगे। कैसे लिखेंगे? वी सेलिब्रेट festivals to share our happiness with our near and dear ones. Okay, so we have completed our answer number 1. Now let's come to question number. So question number 2 is write the names of national festivals. हमें क्या करना है? इसका नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स का नाम लिखना है। ठीक है, तो 3 ही नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स है। कौन कौन से हैं? इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे एंड गांधी जयंती। ये तीनों आप होमवर्क में जो है कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ नाम लिखना है। ठीक है, सो क्वेश्चन हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या है? थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज क्लासिफाई द नेम्स ऑफ रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स। अब इसमें भी जो है आपको नाम लिखने हैं। अब इसमें क्या लिखना है? सेकंड क्वेश्चन में आपको नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स के नाम लिखने थे, थर्ड में आपको किसके नाम लिखने हैं? रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स के, जैसे कि क्रिसमस, गुरुपुरब, दिवाली, होली, ईद उल फित्र, ठीक है, दशहरा, रक्षाबंधन, ये सब आपको सिर्फ नाम लिखना है। ठीक है, तो आप ये भी जो है होमवर्क में कर सकते हैं। ये भी बहुत छोटा सा है। ठीक है, तो ये भी आप क्या करेंगे? होमवर्क में कर देंगे। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज हाउ डू वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली। अब ये वाला आंसर हम करते हैं। 4th का क्या है? हाउ डू वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली। हम दिवाली कैसे मनाते हैं? हाउ डू वी सेलिब्रेट इट? वी विल राइट लाइक दिस ऑन दिवाली। On Diwali, people decorate their houses with candles and electric lights. Children fire crackers at night. Please wash, oh sorry, sorry, people worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Okay, so we have completed our answer number 4 too. Okay, now question number 5 is, how do Muslims celebrate Eid ul Fitr? ठीक है, so we will write answer number 5. People this festival marks the end of long fasting a special dish sevia is prepared. ठीक है, so we have completed our answer number 5 also. Now question number 6 is, how is Raksha Bandhan celebrated? Okay, so what you will write is, answer number 6 is, on this day, एक मिनट यहाँ से लिख लेती हूँ, आ जाएगा फिर. Answer number 6. We will write here on this day the sister ties a beautiful Rakhi on the wrist of her brother. She also offer sweet and applies a tilak to her brother. Sister wishes for the long life and well-being of her brother. The brother pledges to protect her sister. ठीक है, so we have completed our sixth answer also. ठीक है, रक्षाबंधन भी हमने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. Now seventh question is explain Gurupurab. This will be your homework. Question number 7 will be your homework. Now let's come to part number C, that is answered in one word. This was your homework in lecture number 2. I hope you all have completed now. Now part number D. Now we have completed our part number B. Now we will complete our part number D. देखिए part number D क्या लिखा है? Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. ठीक है, हमको उसके नीचे जो है suitable words जो है उसकी help लेते हुए नीचे के जो blanks है उनको fill करना है. ठीक है, so words are Eid, Sikh, Independence, Republic, महात्मा गांधी एंड लक्ष्मी. ठीक है, अब लक्ष्मी जो है आपको गिवन है, ये सारे वर्ड्स मतलब आपको सारे वर्ड्स गिवन है जो कि येलो कलर के बॉक्स में है. उन्हीं वर्ड्स की हेल्प लेते हुए वी हैव टू फिल दोज ब्लैंक्स व्हिच आर गिवन बिलो. ओके, सो वन इज डी का वन इज डैश डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 15th of August. ठीक है, सो व्हाट डू वी सेलिब्रेट ऑन 15th August? It is a national festival. All of us know that it is a national festival, but the name of the festival is, it is correct, Independence Day. So we will write here Independence Day. ठीक है, now have you written, completed your fill in the blanks number 1? Then we will move to number 2. So second is dash day is celebrated on 26th January. So what do we celebrate on 26th of January? We celebrate correct, Republic Day. So we will write here Republic Day. Write down in your notebooks, in your books, Republic Day. Have you all done? Okay, let's move towards 3. That is dash was born on 2nd October 1869. ठीक है, 2nd October यानी कि 2 अक्टूबर को किन का जन्म हुआ था इस दिन? हाँ, किन का हुआ था? करेक्ट, द वर्ड इज महात्मा गांधी. Write it down fast. Now number 4 is goddess dash is worshipped on Diwali. So on Diwali we worship of God Lord Ganesha and what else? Goddess Lakshmi ji. So we will write here Lakshmi. Question number 5 is Guru Purab is the main festival of. What is the main festival? Name of the festival is Guru Purab, but by whom it is celebrated? By which people? It is celebrated by Sikhs. ठीक है, so we will write here Sikhs. सिख जो होते हैं वो लोग जो है गुरुपुरब जो है वो लोग मोस्टली मनाते हैं. ठीक है, लिख लीजिए अपने अपने बुक्स में. राइट इट डाउन फास्ट. Now it is dash is celebrated after Ramazan. ठीक है, after Ramazan what is celebrated? Only one word left, that is Eid. So we will write here Eid. Okay. Have you all completed? Finish it fast. Now part number E. Part number E is match the following. We have given 2 columns, we have to match them with the similar words. Okay. Relation होगा इनके बीच में तो हम इनको match करेंगे. Like first is 26 January. So you see in column 2 which is similar to 26 January. It is a festival of Hindus, or it is a festival of Muslims, or it is a Republic Day, or festival of brother and sister, or Guru Granth Sahib, or Gandhi Jayanti. Which would be best suited for this word? It would be, tell me fast, it will be, correct, it will be Republic Day. So we will match A with C, that is Republic Day. Okay. Now moving forward, number 2 is Raksha Bandhan. Okay. So we will match Raksha Bandhan with which word? It will be festival of Hindus, or festival of Muslims, or festival of brother and sister, or Guru Granth Sahib, or Gandhi Jayanti. Which word will be best suited for Raksha Bandhan? Tell me. That will be festival of brother and sister. Correct. So we will match 2 with Raksha Bandhan with D, that is festival of brother and sister. Okay. Now number 3rd is 2nd October. Now you tell me 2nd of October, which word will be best suited for 2nd of October? It could be festival of Hindus, or it would be festival of Muslims, or Republic Day, or festival of brother and sister, or Guru Granth Sahib, or Gandhi Jayanti. Which will be correct? It will be correct, Gandhi Jayanti. So we will match 3 with last F, that is Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October with Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. Have you done? Now 4th is Guru Purab. Guru Purab. Okay. Now you tell me Guru Purab के साथ हम किसको मैच करें? Which? A, B, C, D, E, F, यानी कि festival of Hindus or festival of Muslims or Republic Day, festival of brother and sister, Guru Granth Sahib or Gandhi Jayanti. But the remaining are only festival of Hindus, festival of Muslims and Guru Granth Sahib. Only 3 are remaining. So Guru Purab will be matched with Guru Granth Sahib. That will be E. 4th with E. Guru Purab with Guru Granth Sahib. Now only 2 left, that is Diwali and Eid. And here in the column 2 is festival of Hindus and festival of Muslims. So first, yani ke number 5 is Diwali. So we will match Diwali with festival of Hindus or festival of Muslims. Okay, good. 5A, that is festival of Hindus. Now the last one, that is Eid. Now you know it is easier for you because only one is remaining, that is B, festival of Muslims. So we will match 6 with B, that is festival of Muslims. Okay. Now in this lecture we have completed all the questions. Only B part ka question number 2nd, 3rd and 7 you have to do as your homework. I have to write here. I will write here for your easiness. Question number B part ka, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 7. Okay. Now this will be your homework part and it should be done in your EVS notebook, correct? And you have to complete your notebook because your notebooks will be checked. So make sure आप अपना काम जो है on time complete करें and in neat and clean handwriting. Okay. We have completed all the question answers. Now in next lecture we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 7, child labor. We will talk about child labor. What is a child labor and what are its we will read about it a little bit, the meaning of childhood and what type of work they do and what is government doing to remove child labor. Okay. Now we will meet in our next lecture. You have to complete your homework because your notebooks will be checked. So make sure आप अपना काम जो है on time and with neat and clean handwriting you should complete your homework. Now we will meet in our next lecture, chapter number 7, child labor. Okay. Till then, bye and take care.